Hello friends, in this video I would like to tell you how you can embed Python or any kind of coding language like C or C++ on your Moodle site hosted on Genomio. This is what we are going to do. Learners will be able to run their Python code inside Moodle. As you know, a lot of people use Genomio over Moodle Cloud because it allows more than 50 participants in a course. The free account of Genomio does not allow you to install coding plugins like CodeRunner or virtual programming language, which are really useful for designing courses that have programming. You can also have coding-based quizzes using them. We can't install the plugins, so we need to embed them. If you are teaching a course through Moodle Learning Management System which has coding in it, you don't want your learners to keep switching between course page and coding software, which can be distracting. If the learners can write their code inside their Moodle course page itself, that will be really helpful for learners' concentration, and he or she can even study without the coding software and on any system in fact. A shout out to Kristen, who has a blog on what tools exist to embed code into your HTML website. It's a very good blog and you can all go through it. I will put the link to his website in the description of this video below. So he has listed and discussed quite a few Python interpreters in his blog, but I'll be explaining only the first one that he has listed, Trinket.io. Rest all are very similar. You can try the other ones and see which best suits your course and style. So the first thing you have to do is make an account in Trinket.io. Then you can click on the folder button to create a new folder so that you can put all the course coding tasks inside one folder. Give a folder name as I have done here. Then click on your email ID at the top right corner of the screen. Then you will see a drop down menu and in that select Trinket and Python. A new file will open. I will give it a name task4. Write details of the task or partial code according to the task you wish to give your learners to learn. You can click on this pen button here and type instruction, sample codes or hints for the learners and click on the save icon button. Click on the save button at the top to save your file. Click on the share button and from the drop down select embed. Then copy this code. Then go to your Moodle course and select turn editing on from the course menu. Go to the topic where you want to embed and select edit topic. In your summary section toolbar, you have to select show more buttons and then you can see one more row of tools to select from. Select HTML button, which will take you into HTML editing mode. Paste the code you copied from Trinket.io and again press the HTML button, and now you can see the task created inside Moodle. Click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. And there you have it. Learners can now run their Python codes inside your Moodle course. Learners can even log in from here to their Trinket.io account and save all the codes for their future reference even after the completion of the course. So that's it, my friends. See you next time. Keep learning.